Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to find category by ID or its own ID, how to find a category ID. So what you gotta do first is open the dashboard of your WordPress website. How you can do it? Just go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp-admin. It will open this page for you, which I will be showing you right now, which is this one. Here you can put your username or email address, and then here your username or password. Sorry guys. Now after that, this page will be open for you. Now we go to post, and from here you'll have these categories. Here you can add any category, for example. Now let's have an example for our category for us, which will be looking something like for example, let's say that you are a food delivery company. Here we can add pizza or hot food, and here is actually the URL friendly version of the name. And here what we can add is, for example, hot food parents. There's no parents, and from here we can click on add new category. It will be added here. So now we can click on edit, and just right now here is, you will find all the information. For example, if you made something wrong with it, if you have done something bad, there is where you can find the category ID. So what is the ID exactly? It's not this name, but it is the slug. So as you can read here, the slug is the URL friendly version of the name. It is usually a lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. So if you can't really keep it that way, you have to, for example, if you wanted to add space, you have to add something like that, or whatever it is, something like that, or a number between them. You really can't add a space between it. So hey guys, that's how you can actually make an ID or find your ID of your category. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.